Today for the Bitcoin price with Ben from MMCrypto, we are going to talk about Ethereum. And guys, believe it or not, but according to Ben, the $1 million moonshot for Ethereum is confirmed. Are we going to see a retracement before? What are the price targets of Ben here in the immediate short term? When are we finally going to see these 27,000 US dollars for Ethereum? Well, I can tell you something, guys. Watch this video until the very end, because the knowledge bombs, which are going to be dropped on your head today, they are of major significance. So make sure you watch this video until the very end. You scroll down, you smash up the like button towards the new all-time high. You know what? 27,000 likes for $27,000 for Ethereum. And with that being said, also click BitBoy's link in the pinned comment, subscribe to his channel. It's a beautiful channel. That's what I can promise you. And also, guys, if you want to trade this upcoming volatility for Bitcoin and Ethereum, long and short here, go down to the pinned comment right there. This pinned comment, if you scroll down to the very first pinned comment below the link of MMCrypto, you will find 2,520 US dollars combined in free bonus. If you click this link down below, you make your account, step number 1, you deposit, step number 2, you can claim these free bonuses here in the pinned comment down below. You can use the free bonus and trade the volatility for Bitcoin and Ethereum. And the nicest thing is 2,500 US dollars at a 40x leverage. This is a 100,000 US dollar trade completely for free. So make sure you take advantage of that here in the pinned comment down below, if you're an experienced trader, of course. And with that being said, I wanted to come to the most important question of today. MMCrypto today in a partner look, wearing yellow actually. How are you doing today, my man?
Man, I am doing fantastic. Ethereum finally clearing $3,000. These are price points we've been calling for a long time. We're looking and projecting like where we're going to be at certain points for Ethereum. We're right on track for every number, everything that we wanted. You know, and sometimes people get a little caught up on, well, someone said it would be at this price by this day or this price by this day. But let's zoom out and let's look. I was talking to my wife about that last night. When Ethereum was at $200, we were saying pile into this thing as hard as you can. We were back in November, we were saying, Ethereum, you want to have exposure to this coin. And now looking at the price at $3,000, over a 10x, a 15x from $200 alone. I mean, it really is just amazing to look at, you know, where we've come in such a short time.
Exactly, man, exactly. And people have to zoom out sometimes. I remember I was myself talking on the 19th of January when Ethereum broke this 3.5-year trend line. I'm very bullish on Ethereum. I'm switching more over into Ethereum. We had a small pump. Then Ethereum dumped down for 2 weeks and people said, Chris, you're wrong, you're wrong. Now looking back, we see that was the exact moment to start with buying Ethereum. I know you've been bullish for Ethereum since ages, and you are making a lot of videos on them, and you are hitting a lot of these predictions pretty much on spot. So this is why I wanted to know, is the moonshot time coming for Ethereum, this $1 million moonshot people can see in the title? When are we going to see these 27,000 US dollars for Ethereum? Do we have any fundamental events, any charting events? Do you see anything in the charts? Please elaborate a little bit on your bullishness on Ethereum so we can follow that and we can understand a little bit where we are going here in the immediate short term and in the mid run.
Yeah, I think when people look at Bitcoin, for instance, well, what's going on right now with Bitcoin, it seems to be very, very bullish. But there's not like a huge like fundamental news thing going on right now, like pushing it. And what you see with altcoins and with Bitcoin is that there's a combination of just the technicals that drive it, the tokenomics that drive the price, and then also sometimes there's fundamental news that drives the price. Well, we have some of the biggest fundamental news for Ethereum coming in July. So that'll be a really exciting time when the London hard fork hits and they're going to be burning billions of dollars worth of Ethereum. And if people don't understand what that means, basically they're going to be removing coins from the supply. And when those coins get moved, they get burnt, which means they disappear. So the same market cap is going to be for less coins, which by theory should make the coins that are remaining worth more. So we do have some really big fundamental news in July. And we just saw with the Berlin hard fork that just occurred last month that it worked. The gas fees are actually getting lower and the speeds for Ethereum are speeding up. So it means we can forecast out in February, or I'm sorry, in July, and see that that's going to be a huge shift. So let's kind of like work backwards a little bit and look at where we should be by about what time in order to get to that, you know, $1 million moonshot, the $27,000 Ethereum by Halloween. I guess maybe I'll have to dress up like a pumpkin if we get there. Okay. But the fact is, Yeah. So I think what we're looking at right now, a lot of people are saying that I actually read an article saying I think it was like a 6% chance that Ethereum goes over $5,000 by the end of June. I'm sorry, by the end of May, by June 1st. I think that's a little too bullish. I'm looking about the middle of June for Ethereum to be around $5,000. And if anybody wants to go over to my channel and check out the collaboration that we did, where you charted some Ethereum, you're looking at like $4,300 to $4,400 being achievable, like kind of in the medium term here. So I definitely think that's possible that we could get to those numbers. I'm looking about $5,000 by the middle of June. If we don't get there, then you can expect the middle of July when we get the London hard fork with the burning of the ETH to push it up above that $5,000 number. If you're looking for a $10,000 Ethereum, which I think is actually the minimum all-time high we'll be looking at. I don't see any way possible that by the end of this bull run, Ethereum is not over $10,000. But you're looking at a $10,000 Ethereum by maybe the end of August, somewhere around then. Bitcoin should be around six figures at that point, or higher, like maybe $120,000, $140,000. So we'll be looking at Ethereum to be around $10,000 by the end of August. And then it's got about 2 months. You guys got to remember, in these parabolic cycles, the truth is we haven't seen anything really parabolic yet. Like, we've just been seeing movements. If you look at like Bitcoin, for instance, from December to January, that was certainly a bit of a parabolic move. Ethereum has had some short, like kind of like explosive movements, but the truly parabolic movement where the altcoins explode comes at the very end. I like to say come in the bottom of the ninth inning of the run. That's why it's so hard to judge the top of the market. So in between August and Halloween, that's when we will see that truly parabolic movement for Ethereum to head close to $27,000. And we're seeing a lot of, interesting stuff, narratives built around Ethereum right now. Similar to what we saw with Bitcoin, as Bitcoin was getting more popular in 2017, it was the institutions wanted to put money in it. Well, guess what we're seeing? We're seeing that for Ethereum right now. The one thing about Ethereum that I would like to point out that is really, I think this could be the next thing to push the price up higher. Because when you look at these price predictions, you have to sit there and say, okay, well, where is the money coming from? Well, I've been reading a lot of mainstream news articles lately about decentralized finance. And we all know that Ethereum drives DeFi. And when DeFi explodes, Ethereum moves up with it. So do all the Ethereum coins, Aave, Synthetics, Uniswap, Polygon, all of these projects, Cartesi, these will be projects that, get benefits from Ethereum moving and from DeFi exploding. Over the summer when this happened, it was basically all crypto degens. It was all people just getting into Uniswap and all these decentralized exchanges and trying to make money. And there were rug pull scams and all kinds of stuff. We're starting to see now that the mainstream is getting interested in DeFi. This is something they don't even know exists yet. So just think about when people realize that they can get collateralized lending or they can get staking and earn, more in crypto just by staking than they can in a year in the stock market. That's when the retail FOMO, the retail investors are going to come in, and the retail investors, despite what people will tell you, are always what drive the blow off tops in the markets.
Yeah. I mean, it's beautiful, especially these fundamental events. This is what I love the most. And there were some obstacles with Ethereum, right? Which you were able to criticize. High fees and lack of scarcity compared to Bitcoin. Yeah. The lack of scarcity compared to Bitcoin will be eliminated. The high fees will be, hopefully, right? Let's wait and see, but hopefully also eliminated. So if these things are actually coming up, I could personally even see sell the news event. So a run up towards July. And then when the actual event is happening, some of the smart people will know this was already priced in beforehand, and then we see maybe a sell-off. So maybe we are going to see these price levels of 4,700, 4,400, 5,000 US dollars, maybe even leading up to that event. So I'm really looking forward to that. I'm personally also very bullish on Ethereum, and well, how I'm personally running this bull market is I'm buying the Krakens, right? I'm buying the Ethereums, I'm buying the Polkadots, I'm buying the Cardanos, and I'm less buying these smaller projects below that. And I think Ethereum is really the greatest way to go. I know that you are one of the biggest Ethereum bulls out there. And if I understood you correctly, 27,000 for Halloween is a possible scenario. So if that happens, I want to see the pumpkin suit on you. I'll be going with a space suit maybe, and you will going with a pumpkin suit. That sounds beautiful. And maybe before I'm going to the next question, Everyone, leave your Ethereum price target down below in the comment section. I want to see, and maybe we will go into the comment section ourselves and answer maybe a few comments of yours. What is your price prediction until Halloween for Ethereum? And yeah, with that being said, BitBoy, I just wanted to pick your brain just quickly here towards the end on Binance Coin. I saw it hitting 660, 670 US dollars while we speak here. Are you still bullish on Binance Coin as well? Like one of the biggest competitors, so to speak, on Ethereum?
You know, Binance to me, it doesn't really fit the qualifications of a true Ethereum competitor. I know it's like number 3 and I know it's making up some ground. But while Binance Smart Chain does have, you know, a decentralized platform, I definitely look more at Cardano and Polkadot as straight Ethereum competitors because Binance, and look, I could see a scenario one day where Binance Coin does grow larger than Ethereum. And it's very simple why. It's the biggest exchange in the world. You can trade Ethereum on Binance, right? So it's bigger than just Ethereum. I mean, it's any coin that's out there pretty much that's a mainstream coin you can trade on Binance. So really the upside for Binance as an exchange is absolutely huge. We're not looking at just Binance Smart Chain. We're looking at the entire exchange itself. So there definitely is some potential there for it to continue to grow because it's got kind of a multifaceted attack plan, one from the chain side, one from the exchange side. But I'm super bullish on BNB. I bought over the last 2 or 3 weeks, I bought 7 figures worth of Binance Coin. I was buying heavily, you know, around the $450 level. So that's definitely paid off very well. So, you know, I love Ethereum. I want to see Ethereum get to all the price points, but I don't mind watching them gains with Binance Coin either.
Yeah, definitely, man. Looking at all these use cases, lending, IEOs, spot trading, leverage trading, and how they implement the BNB into all of these use cases, Binance Smart Chain. It's crazy. It's crazy. Some people say it's going to be the next Apple. Let's wait if that's actually going to happen. But yeah, definitely, man. Thank you so much for sharing all your knowledge bombs today, especially when it's about the Ethereum. I love to pick your brain. Everyone remember, in the pinned comment down below, there is his channel name. Scroll down, click this link, subscribe to his channel. We actually made a collaboration over on his channel as well, so you'll have to go there anyways to watch it. And with that being said, any last words to share before we are wrapping it up for today?
Everybody enjoy this time. Enjoy this time while things are pumping. It's not like this all the time, and it's not like this forever. So make sure that you're enjoying the journey and you're learning all you can about cryptocurrency and helping to change your financial future forever.
Thank you very much, man. Thank you. It was a beautiful one today. Thanks everyone for watching until the very end, smashing up the like button. And with that being said, we'll see you very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, as always, bye-bye.